literally just to recap, all you have to do is have a camera, a wire, and a computer. The computer is the thing that you need to connect it into. The wire is what's connecting it, and the camera is the thing that's broadcasting. Then simply all you want to do is connect it all up. Well, switch to remote viewer in your actual camera, connect everything up, switch to to picture mode, literally just a 1 or 2, right? Just manual mode essentially, right? Picture mode, and that's going to make it readable by the what's called remote app, the remote software that you need to download off the site, which again will be linked